Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how can we use the DJI Mic Mini and your macOS. So for that just connect your DJI Mic Mini to the USB and Type-C port, and after that just come to your setting. This is my setting. You can see, just open your macOS setting. Inside the setting you can see there is a sound. Just come to the sound. Inside the sound you can see in the input my Mac mic, and this is my phone microphone, and this is my DJI Mic Mini. So you can select this. So now my mic is also connected and I'm using the DJI Mic Mini, and the sound is like this. And if you want to use the external headphone and other things, so for that just click on the headphone output, external headphone, or if you want to use the speaker, so you can use like this. And this is the short video how can we use the mic and the macOS and the headphone, also external speaker or headphone also.